Mike and Kelly, a long day of jury deliberations. They wrapped up for the day around 4:45. And here throughout this entire trial is Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Bob Mayo. You have been following this very closely. So what did we see happen today?
Well, day one of deliberations saw the jury bringing questions to the court, but no answers from the jury yet on their life or death verdict in the Pittsburgh synagogue shooting trial. We can tell you that the jury asked at two different points for another look at evidence presented during the trial. The requests were first for prosecution evidence, then defense evidence. The prosecution evidence they wanted to see was a collection of weapons displayed to them during the trial. That included the AR-15 rifle that was a primary murder weapon, as well as 3 Glock handguns used by Robert Bowers, plus the shotgun he left in his car before entering the synagogue, and the weapon of a Pittsburgh police SWAT officer, Timothy Matson, that was also entered into evidence. While the jury looked at that evidence in the courtroom, defense attorneys spotted a U.S. Marshal talking to jurors. That led to some unexpected testimony once the jury was out of the room. That marshal was put under oath, and he took the witness stand. He was asked by attorneys to recount what he said to the jurors. He said that some of them had asked where the handguns were carried. He told them that he did not know. They asked how the shotgun was loaded. He explained. They asked if the ammunition magazine in the evidence box was for the AR-15. He said it was. The defense then asked for a mistrial. The judge denied that motion, but Judge Robert Colville did tell the jury they should disregard anything said between jurors and the marshal, telling them that conversation is not evidence. The jury later asked to see some defense exhibits, including a family neurological and mental health chart from Robert Bowers' commitment at Southwood Psychiatric Hospital when he was an adolescent. That would indicate that the jurors were reviewing at that point the mitigating factors offered by the defense, specifically what the defense describes as a family history of mental illness that made for a greater risk of Robert Bowers developing a mental illness. So the jury went home at around 4:30 today. They're going to be back tomorrow morning earlier than they normally gather. They'll be in this federal courthouse at 8:30 tomorrow morning.
All right, and of course, you'll be continuing to cover that, Bob. Thank you.